Personalized jewelry has become more popular over the past couple of years, and especially it's all over social media. There's a variety of ways in which it shows up. There are name necklaces, initial necklaces, and really the possibilities are endless. With personalized jewelry, you cannot go wrong. It shows that you were thinking of someone and that you put sentimental thought into the gift. It can feel more special receiving something knowing that you're the only one that has that, or at least you're not one of many that has the same exact style. I have 2 necklaces from the brand Mint and Lily that I'm excited to share with you today. The first piece is this initial choker necklace, which they have on their site for $50. You can obviously customize the initials, which I did here today. I put C and D, which is the first letter of mine and my husband's name. So this is the close-up of the necklace. We have an 18 karat plated gold over a sterling silver. You can see the initials are CD on the front, which once again is me and my husband's initials, but I also wanted to do the play on Christian Dior to kind of replicate that neck choker, which I'm not sure if you've seen, but it's pretty popular. We have a lobster claw clasp as well as an extender, so it can extend up to a couple more inches if you don't want that tight neck choker look. So it's nice to have the variety and different options with this. So this is what the neck choker looks like once worn. Currently I have it on the tightest setting, so it's like at a comfortable position on my neck. It's not up too high, and I also don't feel like I'm being choked with it, which is great. It has a beautiful gold sheen on the chain because once again, this is an 18 karat gold plated over sterling silver, so you got a beautiful shine there. So I just did a quick outfit change because I feel like this choker looks best with like a crew neck shirt like the one I'm wearing right now. I think this is such a cute and casual look, and once again you can customize it to any initials. It could be your first and middle name, or like in my case I did a combination of mine and my husband's name, which I think is a really cool idea to do. But yeah, I really love the look of this. It is very trendy and it's so fashionable and stylish and easy to wear. I'm also really impressed with the quality of the chain. It feels quite weighty. I also want to compare this neck choker to the Dior one, which I own, because I already love that one, so I knew this would be another hit in my wardrobe. So this is the Dior version of the neck choker, which is so pretty. This one has like pave set crystals, so it is a little bit different. It's not an initial choker, but Dior also has the initial choker as well if you're interested. But yeah, the feel is actually quite similar. It has a good weighty feel as well. Here's a side-by-side comparison of the 2 pieces. The Dior version has a bit of a more tighter chain, and the Mint and Lily one is obviously a little bit looser, but look-wise, especially from a distance, they look pretty similar. This is the Mint and Lily version, and here is the Dior version, so they both have necklace extenders as well, making it quite suitable for various lengths of comfort. So right now I'm demonstrating the Dior version. So I have it on the loosest setting, and this is what it looks like. So once again, the chain is a little bit more of a tighter look versus the Mint and Lily version, but style-wise, they are quite similar. On the top, we have the Mint and Lily necklace, just to give you a little bit of a comparison. But yeah, I'm very impressed with this necklace. So if you're interested in this same look, the Mint and Lily version, once again, is only $50 for a customized necklace, which is honestly a really good deal. Next up, we have this sideways pave initial necklace. This necklace comes in 3 colors. I chose the rose gold color, and this necklace retails for $69 on their site. What drew me to this necklace was the pave crystal letters, because I really like the addition of the added sparkle. I just think it looks so great, especially in a rose gold color. Once again, I chose the rose gold color, which I'm really happy with. I think the crystals really pop against it. So as compared to the previous necklace, this necklace is a lot more lightweight in nature. And wearing this necklace, I would feel comfortable sleeping, showering with it. You just leave it on and forget about it, and it's just so easy and convenient to wear. Once again, this has an extender chain as well, so you can adjust the length to your liking. I'm going to try it on at the shortest setting at first, just to show you. So it is a little bit hard because the crystal letters keep wanting to flip around and not being exactly on the same side at the same time, but that's the idea we're going for. So this is what the sideways pave initial necklace looks like. I love how dainty and lightweight it looks and feels once worn. And I think the initial letters are so subtle and pretty. I really love the pave stones as well. It's a nice pop of shine. But yeah, I'm really impressed with the quality of this necklace and the look of it as well. It's so simple. Each of these jewelry pieces are made to order, which is a really cool fact to know. And once again, I like knowing that I have a personalized piece that typically most people don't have the same exact one of. These necklaces would make great gifts as well for a mom, for a sister, for a daughter. For me, I got the first letter initial of my 3 kids' names on this necklace, which I think is so special. My daughter loves wearing this necklace as well, so it is definitely something I'm going to be keeping in the family. Personalized jewelry is great for sentimental people, especially like myself. Nothing beats a handwritten card, but this is a close second. All of the items come in an individual dust bag. And here is what the jewelry box looks like as well. We have a matte white cover with the Mint and Lily logo on the front. On the inside, we have a dust cloth. I want to thank Mint and Lily for sending me these pieces to review. I really enjoy them, and especially with them being personalized, they really hit on the nostalgia notes. Mint and Lily offers free shipping on orders $65 and up. Their pieces are nickel and lead free, and they also skip out on the middleman, bringing the quality directly to you, giving you cost savings as well, which is a win. And honestly, you can create designer-inspired pieces using this type of personalization. Just like I shared the Dior neck choker with you, you can create a very similar look on this website. I love that all of their pieces are trendy, and aside from being a great jewelry piece in your personal wardrobe, these make excellent gifts as well. They show a lot of thought, care, and consideration, and honestly, they're fun to design and customize as well. I also like that you can choose the color of your necklace, for example, gold, rose gold, or silver. So honestly, you can't go wrong there. So anyways, that should do it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. Be sure to like this video, comment down below, do you own any personalized jewelry? And what is your favorite type of jewelry to gift? With that being said, I'll see you in my next video. Thanks for watching.